Infographics use images to tell a story. So before you begin to create an infographic design, think about the story that you want to tell. For this infographic assignment, you will need a central theme or research question, 3 scholarly peer-reviewed articles, and a quotation or supporting material. This tutorial will explain how to use the tool PictoChart to create your infographic. I will cover creating an account, selecting a design theme, adding text, adding charts, adding new blocks, adding visuals, and publishing your infographic. So gather your statistics, quotes, tables, and citations, and let's get started. Step 1, create an account. First, go to pictochart.com. Next, click on Create for Free. Just fill in a username, email address, and password. Then click Create My Account. Step 2, select your theme. Now that you have an account, you can select from 6 free themes. You can preview each one by clicking on the image. Let's go with Flow 2 for this example. You can make some quick changes to the look of the theme by choosing Style and then editing the colors. Step 3, clean the canvas. Start by getting rid of elements that won't work for your design. If you see images, text, or whole blocks that won't work for your graphic, just highlight it and click Delete or the trash can on the toolbar. If anything is highlighted in red and you cannot manipulate it, it is locked. You can unlock it by clicking on this lock on the toolbar. Now, you can delete it. Step 4, adding text. For some boxes, you may simply want to highlight the section and type in new content, such as for the title of the infographic. Other times, you may want to create a new text box by selecting Add, Text. Choose the desired text size and drag it to your canvas. For example, Header 1 would probably be best for adding a title to the whole graphic. Header 3 may be better for a title of a section. Finally, Text would probably work best for inside of a section. I'm going to drop in this text box for a quote. At the end of my quote, I will add parentheses and then number the sources as they appear from top to bottom of the page. Let's say that the colors are not working for you. No problem. Simply highlight the section of text and then click on the color chart. Then click on your new color. I can also use the toolbar to alter the font, size, or alignment. Step 4, adding a new chart. I want to add a chart to this, but there doesn't seem to be any room. Let's try adding a new block. If I select this block and then click on the plus sign, I can see that a new block has been added. But it doesn't seem to be big enough. If you hover over the bottom border of the block, you can resize the height. Now, to add my chart, go to Tools, and then drag this chart icon onto the canvas. This is where you can insert the information you gathered from your scholarly sources. Simply type directly into the graph. add chart titles and axis names by typing directly in these fields. When everything is ready to go, click Insert Chart. You can move, resize, and decorate your chart within its block. Remember, it's very important that your data representation is accurate. Check your visualizations carefully. Now that Step 5, adding icons. Now that I've added the basic content, it's time to find some relevant graphics to help tell the story. To locate the graphics, click on Add, Graphics, then Icons. You can scroll through different categories to find the images that best work for your graphic. Then simply drag the icon onto the canvas and you can resize, change the color, or copy ones you've made and paste to a new location. Step 6. Your final step is publication. Once you've added all of your information, it's time to publish your project. Click on Publish, and then select either JPEG or PNG. Either one is fine. Then you can click Save Image As, rename it, and save directly to your desktop. If you have any questions about your project, contact your instructor for help.